Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ, for this W. Yeah, that's our problem on our last two games, our opens. And we talk about the ball movement in practice, we talk about sharing the ball, we talk about sacrificing. And the last time we played, we have only around 15 or 16 assists now. So it's below on our average. Our goal is around 22 to 24 assists per game. And that's why siguro masyadong mababa yung points namin. And big factor din talaga yung preparation namin. And we have a bad preparation talaga last time because we have only 8-9 players in practice. And majority of them are big man. So, but no excuses. And I'm very happy. Yesterday, I told to the players that I missed the practice. Yung practice namin yesterday tsaka nung day before, talagang sobrang ganda. So, I think big factor talaga yung preparation. Big factor yung sa amin. Kasi yung system namin, once we have a good practice, I think we have a good chance of winning the game because doon kami kumukuha ng buwan.
Coach, throughout all your games, Magnolia's defensive identity has stayed intact. You were able to limit all your opponents to less than 100 points. Tonight, you've done the same, but you've showed frustration with the free throws that you've given up, 33 free throws to be exact. Are you still trying to find the balance between being physical and finding this defensive identity again?
Yeah. We actually, on the last, yung dalawang talo namin, we limit our opponents under 90 points. But problema namin, hindi kami makascore. And also, we talk about three things on this game. Transition defense, rebounding, and fouling. So yung tatlo na yun. And I think yung isa hindi namin nagawa because we gave up at least 33 free throws. So actually doon sila nakakahabol eh. Yung maganda yung laro namin but we keep on fouling, penalty, so nakaka-easy 2 points sila. But we just try to dig deep, grind this game, and I told them this is not an easy game because this team's the #1 team in terms of offense. So we just need to dig deep and grind on our defense. So yun lang yung nangyari. And thankful to the guys stepping up, everybody step up, especially this guy. Talagang malaking bagay ito sa amin na nag-step up si Ian on this game. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach. Ian, congratulations. Nag-step up ka with a double-double performance, 32 points and 13 rebounds. What was it about today? Do you feel na kaya ka nakascore dahil masyado na-attract ng mga guards nyo yung depensa? Was it the mismatches? Ano ba yung nag-fuel ng laro mo tonight?
For me, siguro yung mga teammates ko. We have each other, parang pinag-usapan namin na magtulong-tulungan kami before this game and kailangan maging ready kami today. Kasi back against the wall, talo kami back-to-back. So mahirap na matalo na pangatlong sunod-sunod. So ngayon, alam namin na dito sa liga na to na kahit sino pwede kami talunin. So siguro isa wake-up call para sa amin yung dalawang sunod na talo namin. Ganun yung nangyari. So thank God, nakabawi kami ngayon kahit kulang kami sa tao, and lahat naman nag-step up to it.
Ian, from being sidelined noong 2023 Governors Cup at ngayon nakikita mo na yung rhythm mo na bumabalik, best player of the game ka nga. Ano ba yung meaning nito para sa'yo? Gaano ba ka-hirap to get back to where you are right now?
Siguro para sa akin yung nangyari sa akin, parang inisip ko lang na challenge yun para sa akin, and may dahilan kung bakit nangyari yun. And sobrang thankful ako sa lahat ng nangyari, and after that, nakikita ko naman yung sagot. So thankful ako sa coaching staff, especially po sa tiwala ulit na binigay sa akin, sa mga teammates ko. Sila yung nag-leave sa akin na makabalik dito. And siyempre sa practice na ginagawa namin everyday. So, positive lang everyday, and magiging okay din yun.
At this point,
Calvin played multiple positions, and the last time because they play small, so yun hindi kami makamatch up. Actually, we missed the 3 guys. Those guys, Aris, Rome, and Calvin can play multiple positions. That's why we have a hard time to match up against Index because of that. Medyo talagang hirap kami. At the same time nga, hindi din kami mag-uusay sa ensayo. So, yun. And good thing na si Calvin naka-step up ngayon. Nakatulong siya sa team niya. And pwede sana magtuloy-tuloy.
May chance na bang mabuo? Kasi sa practice. In the coming days.
I think Rome will be out for more one more week. And then Awis will be back on Thursday. So hopefully he can play on Sunday. But the problem now is the mga minor injuries of Gio and Mark. So hopefully kahit paano makarecover sila. Yun lang yung medyo concern sa amin ngayon. May mga injuries yung mga players natin. Mga key players.
Coach, the past 2 games, iba-iba yung starting lineup mo. Una si Ariobu, kanina naman si Russell Scott. Is it a way for you to preserve yung mga major players mo in the NBA?
Yeah, we want to have a parang mas habang rotation. And we have to see Ian also, Paul and Mark. Although para pagdating ng dulo, at least meron kaming energy pa, meron kaming lakas pa para doon. So, good thing those role players step up. Russell, even Abu Tratter, Jed Mendoza, Jerica Hamisi. So, yan, sabi nga ni Ian, tulong-tulong.
Coach, kanina dun sa muntik na
Hindi naman sa ganoon kasi maganda lang din talaga yung especially si Calvin kanina yung mga attack niya. So, laging nagko-collapse lahat ng mga guards namin, yung mga attack niya. So, yung time na na-open lang talaga ako sa ilalim. So, kailangan ko lang talagang i-shoot kasi open na nga. So, ganoon naman talaga yung nangyari kanina. So, lahat ng attack niya nagkakapas na sa ilalim. So, kailangan niya i-finish talaga.